Hi guys, my name's Little White Hat, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord invites not working at all. You've tried everything, you've tried just waiting, you've tried leaving servers, you've tried literally everything, and Discord just doesn't allow you to join new servers. So here's how you do it. So, do you get this where you can't do this? Yeah, well, all you need is Revo Uninstaller. You want to go to free downloads. It's a free program, and you just want to get freeware right here. Link will be in the description. So now once it's installed, all you want to do is double click that, and you want to wait for it to load, obviously. Okay, once it started loading programs, you want to look for Discord. It might also say update as the Discord. So you want to click, you want to search Discord, right? And you want to press uninstall right here. Continue. Just create a system restore point, just in case it doesn't work. Alright, and you want to click on advanced here. It should be moderate, but you want to click on advanced, and you just want to wait till it uninstalls and click scan. Something will pop up in a moment, and you want to click select all. Select all, delete. Now something again will pop up. You want to click select all, delete. Alright, now it doesn't necessarily need to be a fresh download of Discord, but I'm just going to get a fresh download. Download for Windows. I'm just going to put it on my desktop because and then just run that. And now everything should be fixed. Just re-log in and it'll be all fixed. Thanks for watching and have a good time. Please subscribe and like this video. Goodbye.